Since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, more and more people are going online to find suitable work from home. So how can you get a job in 2020 in view of the competition? Hello, I'm Laura, and I believe that laying the proper groundwork will result in a solid build. So in this video, I will be sharing 5 strategies that will lay the groundwork to help you to get your next job. To level up means to increase your knowledge by learning new things or by improving the skills you already have. Things are constantly changing, so to get a competitive edge, you need to level up. Are you new online? Then start by seeking out courses that will help you to learn basic software and computer skills. Learn the latest techniques for navigating safely and efficiently online. To avoid becoming a victim of fraud, it's crucial that you learn to protect your privacy. Read the privacy policy of online agencies and websites before posting personal information with them. Do research and get reviews on websites that you're not familiar with. So another way that you can level up is by re-educating yourself. Look for courses that will help you to meet the current qualifications for the job you're looking for. For example, the job description of an executive secretary 10 years ago will not be the same today. So find out what the current job entails and find courses that will help you to level up. Being out of work can be frustrating, but approaching the uncomfortable without a plan and a positive attitude is hardly the recipe for success. So, strategy number 2, invest time in the job search. The plan: establish a workday routine. Get dressed each day as you would for work. Create a to-do list. Know what you're going to do every day. Set targets. It could be for the number of companies to research or the number of applications to prepare. Invest quality time to prepare your resume and profile. Are you seeking for your first job? There may be things that you have done that qualify as work experience. For example, do you have hobbies? Have you shared in volunteer work? Then list the type of work you have done and the goals that you have achieved. Add this to your resume. Your profile should detail your skills and abilities and what you're looking for in your next job. So the third strategy is to be adaptable. This means being flexible in your job selection. Learning to be content with employment that is less than ideal or overcoming prejudice against certain types of work. So for example, you may have been trained as an executive secretary, but you aren't able to find that kind of work. There may be a job for a sales assistant. Take what you can get until you find what you want. If you're not adaptable, you will decrease the chances of finding work. The fourth strategy: prepare for the interview. When should you start? The preparation should start before you apply. Research the company you hope to work for. The more you know about the company, the better the impression you will make during the interview. The research will also determine whether the company is a right fit for you. Have on hand a printed copy of your resume for easy reference, and prepare and rehearse answers for key questions you will be expecting during the interview. The preparation will also include creating the right settings at home from which you can comfortably meet the video call requirement. This will include having a tidy and uncluttered surroundings. equipment that will allow you to video call with reliable internet service. Make sure to test out the equipment so that you can remedy any problems relating to audio or video quality. Finally, choose appropriate attire and prepare to ace your interview. Now, the final strategy is to execute your interview professionally. Maintain eye contact with your interviewer. Use natural gestures when you speak and articulate clearly. Be concise and honest when answering questions. Ask relevant questions about the company and the prospective job. And at the end of the interview, if you still want the job, ask for it. Doing so will show your enthusiasm.